to a question from one of my subscribers. Her name is Moniz. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well, but it's abbreviated Moniz. Okay, her name is Moniz. I'm gonna leave her question in the video so you guys get to see what she's asking and what her full name is. She says, can I get Vietnamese hair on Aliexpress, or do you have any vendor? Aliexpress is an Asian website based in China. So most of the hair suppliers you find on Aliexpress are Chinese hair vendors. They typically sell Chinese hair, they sell Indian hair, they sell hairs that they import from other countries and process in China and export to the world. So is Aliexpress a good place for you to find a Vietnamese hair vendor? The answer is no, because Aliexpress is based in China. Vietnamese hair extensions are gotten from Vietnam. A better website where you can find a large number of hair suppliers is Alibaba. On Alibaba, you're going to find Chinese hair vendors, you're going to find Vietnamese hair vendors, you're going to find Indian hair vendors, you're going to find which other hair vendor? I think it's just Indian, Chinese, and Vietnam. So on Alibaba is a much better app for you to find Vietnamese hair vendors. But the problem with Alibaba is that you don't see reviews on Alibaba, because most of the hair suppliers that advertise their hair extensions on Alibaba, they relate directly to their customers and sell to their customers on WhatsApp. So after their customers buy the hair, if they have a bad experience with the hair vendor, they will not be able to go on Alibaba and leave their feedback there. So what happens is you would have to take the risk of testing out vendors on Alibaba, and hopefully you find a vendor that gives you very good quality Vietnamese hair extension. So the best place to find a very good Vietnamese hair vendor is on Alibaba. So try Alibaba out. The first thing you want to try out is buying hair from a vendor on Alibaba. Please make sure you don't buy a lot of hair. Buy very little. Buy very little. If you can buy just 2 bundles of hair, you can buy just, let's say, highest 3 bundles of hair and a closure, or you just buy just 3 bundles of hair or 2 bundles of hair and a closure. Just buy that. See if you like these vendors' hair. Try as much as possible to make sure you pay on the Alibaba app. So if you don't like the hair, you can go back on the Alibaba app and leave a review, because most of the Vietnamese vendors you find on Alibaba, you don't see feedback. You don't see customers' feedback on their hair. So it's more like you're taking a risk on any vendor you decide to buy hair from on the Alibaba app. Unlike on Aliexpress, where you see customers' feedback, you see customers' review of the various hairs that they've bought from the vendor. You see if this vendor is one you want to work with. On Aliexpress, you get to see, oh, this vendor tends to have maybe 5.8 stars. This other one tends to have 5 stars. This one tends to have 5.9 stars. With those feedback, you'll be able to ascertain which vendor you are willing to take a chance with. Yeah. So I hope I was able to answer your question with this. Thank you so much for leaving your question, Moniz. Yeah, thank you so much for leaving your question. I hope this also solves your problem if you are trying to find a Vietnamese vendor on Aliexpress. At least I've been able to direct you on the better app where you can find Vietnamese hair vendors. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you got value from this video, please make sure you smash the like button, share this video with your friends who are also going to get value out of it, and please, sis, bro, subscribe to my channel. Now, you've been watching my videos since. You watch these, I'm quite sure this is probably like the 4th or 5th video you watch, and if you still subscribe, please support me by subscribing to my channel, because most people don't give out information that they give out for free. They charge you for it. So please support me by subscribing and giving the video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, be bold, have courage, live a positive life, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.